Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from poor investment decisions with E-Trade, complete guide step by step clearly. If you've experienced a setback in your investment journey, it's time to regroup and strategize. Start by assessing your current portfolio on E-Trade. Log into your E-Trade account and review your investment performance. Identify which investments underperformed and understand the reasons behind their decline. Next, consider diversifying your portfolio to spread risk across different asset classes. Research the market trends and sectors that show growth potential. Use E*Trade's research tools to evaluate new investment opportunities. Set clear financial goals that align with your risk tolerance and investment style. Rebalance your portfolio by selling off underperforming assets if necessary. Take your time to make informed decisions rather than reacting impulsively. Keep an eye on investment news and analysis relevant to your holdings. Set up alerts in E-Trade to stay updated on significant market changes. Consider paper trading to test new strategies without financial risk. Engage with E*Trade's educational resources, such as webinars and articles. Analyze your emotional responses to past investments and learn from them. Develop a solid investment plan and stick to it, adjusting as needed based on market conditions. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it meets your evolving goals. Utilize E*Trade's customer support for guidance and to address any concerns. Remember, recovering from poor investment decisions takes time and patience. Stay committed to continuous learning and improvement in your investment approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.